The Heartland Insulated Washed Duck Bib Overall from Berne is crafted for those who engage in the toughest jobs on the job site, around the shop, or on the farm. This robust overall combines durability, warmth, and functionality, ensuring you stay protected and comfortable throughout your workday. Constructed from a heavy-duty 12-ounce 100% cotton-sanded duck shell, this bib is built to last. It features medium-weight insulation quilted to 100% polyester taffeta lining, which provides essential warmth without limiting mobility. The exterior storm flap and adjustable leg snaps effectively keep the cold at bay, ensuring you remain warm even in harsh conditions. Designed for maximum durability, the bib includes a knee-length heavy-duty brass zipper and brass rivets at stress points on the back, engineered to withstand the demands of rigorous tasks. Triple needle-stitched main seams, reinforced knees, and a heavy-duty nylon leg hem further enhance the overall's resilience, making it a staple for any tough job. Functional storage is a key component, with a zippered chest pocket, a patch pocket with snap enclosure, side utility pockets, and 2 reinforced back pockets with hook and loop closure. These features provide ample space for securely storing tools and personal items, keeping everything you need within easy reach. The Heartland Insulated Washed Duck Bib Overall is not just a piece of workwear. It's an indispensable tool for hardworking individuals who demand high performance and protection from their clothing.